Hi again. I'm Dani from the Ideas Workshop, and now I would like to tell you a few things about my other quiet book. So, last time I presented you a quiet book for girls with all the rooms in a house. The girls will adore it because it has a doll that can be moved from a room to another. It has a lot of activities girls like to do. This time I'm going to present you another quiet book. Again, why should you purchase a quiet book? Because it is useful for children. It is a good opportunity for you to have a little quiet time and the child to do activity which is useful for him. Why useful? Because he moves his fingers, his brain works, he does something with his skills. Of course, the activities may be done together, and you can read the book together, and you could tell him the name of the animals, of means of transport. You can tell him what they do, make noises, teach him. As I told you, it's a kind of Montessori book because it involves the children's senses and skills. And here is my second quiet book. So here is the cover, the front cover. If you want, the child can remove these buttons and you can explain him what each color represents. The second page is with a dog that can be cleaned, brushed, his teeth. This is a toothbrush, a toothpaste, like this, and also the ears moves. Teach him the time, and the hands can be moved. Here the child can play and move by the string along the holes. Here it's about means of transport, where they run and he can move them. Weather forecast. Tell him, what's the weather like today? And he will tell, it's sunny, it's cloudy, this is the rainbow, night, so on. Here, I thought they would love to see a baby. Children love babies. And they can learn how to take care of a baby. Oh, it's vice versa, like this. And give him some milk. Good, 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 good. Then, a dog. This is its bone. And also you have here a leash to help the child work with it. The penguin has a pocket inside with a little fish. So, names of animals, activities, remove, learn. It's a good teaching opportunity and learning. Teaching for you, learning for the child. See you for the next video with another quiet book. Bye!